Good morning, students. 6th standard maths, term 2, exercise 1.2. Find the HCF of 18, 24. Here we have to find the highest common factor for 18, 24. See here, 18 is a even number, 24 also a even number. So even number divisible by 2. So here the common factor for 18 and 24 is 2. Now we divided by these two numbers by 2. How many 2 in 18? 9 times. So 9 2s are 18. In 24, 12 2s are 24. Next we have the number 9, 12. Here 9 is the odd number, 12 is the even number. So this 9 is not divisible by 2. So here we cannot take the common factor 2. Next, what is the prime number? 3. Now we check. 9 is divisible by 3. 12 also divisible by 3. See, we take 3. How many 3 in 9? 3 3s are 9. In 12, 4 3s are 12. Here 3 and 4. There is no common factor for 3 and 4. So what is the common factor? 2 and 3. Now we multiply these two numbers. We get highest common factor for 18, 24. See the next sum. 27, 45, 81. Now we find the highest common factor for these three numbers. See here, 27, 45, 81. There is no even numbers. So here we won't take the number 2. Okay. The next prime number 3. Now we check 2 plus 7. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Here 27, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 4 plus 5, 9 also divisible by 3. 8 plus 1, 9 is divisible by 3. So all the numbers divisible by 3. So here we take the common factor for these three number is 3. How many 3 in 27? 9 times. So 9 3s are 27. For this 45, first we take 4. How many 3 in 4? 1. 1 3 is 3. For this 4 we take 3. The remainder 1. Now the number is 15. 5 3s are 15. Next 81. For this 8. 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. From this 8 we take to 6. The remainder 21. 2. That is the number 21. 7 3s are 21. Next 9, 15, 27. All the number is multiple of 3. So again we take the common factor for these three number is 3. See for this 9, 3 3s are 9. 15, 5 3s are 15. 27, 9 3s are 27. Here the number 3, 5, 9. There is no common factor for these three numbers. So the common factor is 3 and 3. We multiply these two numbers. We get HCF, that is highest common factor. See the fourth sum. Find the LCM of. First one is 6, 9. See here, we find the least common multiples of 6 and 9. Okay. See here 6 and 9 have the common factor 3. See 6 and 9 both divisible by 3. So first we take the common factor. Okay. How many 3 in 6? 2 3s are 6. In 9, 3 3s are 9. There is no common factor for 2 and 3. No problem. Here we take 2. See, this 2 is only divisible by this 2. This 3 you keep as it is. See, for this 2, how many 2 into? 1, 2 is 2. Now, this 3 is not divisible by 2. So, you keep this 3 as it is. Next, we take the number, this 3. So, this one you keep as it is. In 3, how many 3 in 3? 1. See, LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 3. See, 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Therefore, LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. Next, 8, 12. See here, 8 is even number, 12 also even number. So, all the even numbers divisible by 2. Here, these two numbers have the common factor 2. For this 8, 4 2s are 8. This 12, 6 2s are 12. Again, these two numbers are even number. So, again we take 2. For this 4, 2 2s are 4. For this 6, 3 2s are 6. Here 2 and 3 there is no common factor. First we take 2. For this 2 divisible by 2. 1 2 is 2. This 3 is not divisible by 2. So you keep the number 3 as it is. Now we take the number 3. 1 comma 1. Now the LCM is equal to, we multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore, LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Next sum. Now we find the LCM of 30, 40, 60. Here we have 3 numbers. Okay. See all the numbers even number divisible by 2. For this 30, 15 2s are 30. For this 40, 20 2s are 40. For this 60, we take 6. How many 2 in 6? 3 2s are 6. This 0 you keep as it is. Okay. Next, if you take the number 2, see 20 and 30 only divisible, but 15 is not divisible by 2. So here we won't take the number 2. If you have all the numbers have the common factor 5. Here all the 3 numbers have the common factor 5. So here we take the number 5. There is no common factor for all the numbers, then you take 2. But here 15, 20, 30 have the common factor 5. So here we take 5. Because what is the rule for divisible by 5? The unit place is either 5 or 0. Here the unit place 5. Then these two numbers, the unit place is 0. So all the number divisible by 5. For this 15, 3 5s are 15. For this 20, 4 5s are 20. For this 60, 6 5s are 60. Next, if you take the number 2, this 3 is not divisible by 2. So you keep this 3 as it is. How many 4? 2 in 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. So here we take 2 3. So we take 3. 1 3 is 3. This 2 is not divisible by 3. So you keep this 2 as it is. 1 3 is 3. Next, again you take 2. 1 you keep as it is. This, how many 2 into 1 2? Then this one you keep as it is. So LCM of 30, 40, 60 is 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. So what is the number? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This 2 number 10, 10 into 12, 120. LCM of 30, 40 and 60 is 120. Find the HCF and LCM of 154, 198, 286. Here we have to find HCF and LCM. First we find HCF. See 154, 198, 286. All the numbers, even numbers, all the even numbers divisible by 2. So here the common factor for these 3 numbers is 2. For first we take this 154. How many 2 in 154? See here, first we take 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So we take 15. For this 15, 7 2s are 14. From this 15 we take 14. The remainder 1. Now the number is 14. Again 7 2s are 14. In 19, 9 2s are 18. From this 19 we take 18. What is the remainder? 1. Now again 9 2s are 18. For this 286, from this 2, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. See here 77, 99 and 143. All the numbers is a multiple of 11. So here the common factor is 11. How many 11 in 77? 7 11. 9 11 is 99. From this 14, 111 is 11. So remainder 3. Now this number is 33. 311 is 33. See here there is no common factor for 7, 9 and 13. So what is the HCF? Here the HCF only 2 and 11. 2 into 11 is 22. So first we find the HCF. What is the answer? 22. Next we find LCM. LCM means least common multiples. Here 7, 9 and 13 there is no common factor. First we take the number 7. 7 is 7. This 9 is not divisible by 7. So you keep the 9 as it is. Then 13 also is not divisible by 7. This 13 you keep as it is. Next we take the number 13. This one you keep as it is. 9 is not divisible by 13. So this 9 you keep as it is. 113 is 13. See, 9 is not a prime number. 9 is divisible by 3. So we take 3. 1 you keep as it is. How many 3 in 9? 3 3s are. This one you write as it is. Now again we take 3. 1, 1, 1. See what is LCM? We take all the factors, common factors and non-common factors. So 2 into 11 into 7 into 13 into 3 into 3. Okay. See 2 into 11, 22. 22 into 7. 22 into 7, 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 154. So 122 into 7, 154, 154 into 9, 9 4s are 36, balance 3, 9 5s are 45, 48, balance 4, 1 9 is 9, 9 plus 4, 13, into this 13. See, 3 6 are 18, balance 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, balance 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, balance 1, 1 3 is 3 plus 1 4. See, we multiply by 1, 6 8 3 1, 8 11, balance 1 10, balance 1 8 1. So the answer is 18,018. LCM of 154, 198 and 286 is 18,018. See the sixth question. What is the greatest possible volume of a vessel that can be used to measure exactly the volume of milk in cans in full capacity of 80 liters, 100 liters and 120 liters? Here we have to find greatest possible volume. Greatest, largest, these words comes in the question. Here we have to find HCF. We find the highest common factor. For these three numbers we get the answer. See, 80 liter, 100 liter and 120 liter. What is the greatest possible volume we have to find? See, all the numbers, even numbers, so divisible by 2. How many 2? 40 2s are 80. In 100, 50 2s are 100. For this 12, 6 2s are 12. This 0 you keep as it is. Again, all the numbers, even numbers, divisible by 2. See, 40, if from this 4, 2 2s are 4, this 0 you keep as it is. 50, for this 5, we have 2 2s are 4. From this 5, we take 4, balance 1. Now the number is 10, 5 2s are 10. This 6, 3 2s are 6, this 0 you keep as it is. See, here 20 and 30 is even number, this 25 is not even number, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, here the unit place is 0 or 5, so all the numbers divisible by 5. So we take 5 here. How many times? 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. 4 5 6, there is no common factor for 4 5 and 6. So the greatest volume for these three number is, that is HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. There is greatest possible volume is 20 liter. Thank you students. Remaining sums we will see in the next class.